Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another makeup haul video. I bought all of these beauty products from Amazon to try out and test out for myself. A huge sale is going to come up on Amazon for the year of 2022. You can add all of your favorite items to your wish list and buy these at a great discount from the Amazon big sale of the year 2022. Stay tuned for that. Anyway, if you want to know what all beauty products that I bought from Amazon, then please do continue watching. I got a few makeup tools for myself this time. These are very affordable. The first one is this Majestic beauty blender. This was under ₹100 and I really wanted to give this a try. I already have used some of their makeup brushes earlier. I really like them, so I wanted to give their beauty blender a shot. So this is how the beauty blender looks like. It's a big bouncy sponge. I got this in a hot pink color. The size of the beauty blender when it's dry is very small, probably half the size of this, and when you wet it under water and just squeeze off all the excess water away, this is what the size gets to. It basically doubles up in size. It is soft when it is dampened, but not the most softest beauty blender that I have, but it's not bad either. If you're a beginner, you don't want to spend too much of your money on really crazy beauty blenders, then you can give this a shot. It does the job of blending, but it does soak up a little bit of your product. You can totally try this beauty blender out if you're on a budget and if you're a beginner. The next product that I have is a set of makeup brushes. This one is from Swiss Beauty. I had my eyes on this product from so long and I finally bought it on a great discount from Amazon. It's a really good beginner friendly set with amazing quality to it. Swiss Beauty, I mean, is killing with quality these days, so yeah, I've been really enjoying their products. So this set has 2 brushes for your face and 4 different brushes for your eye makeup. So you get a buffing brush, a powder brush, a concealer brush, or even you can use this as an eyeshadow applicator brush, another short eyeshadow applicator brush, a smudging or a pencil brush, and a dual-ended angled and spoolie brush. This is like a very basic kind of a set. You can blend your foundation with this buffing brush. It's a flat top buffing brush and works really well in blending in your foundation. You can also blend your concealer with this brush. You can just pinch the brush and go really close to your under eyes, and that way you can blend your concealer as well. Another brush that you have here is this huge powder brush. You can use this to set your face, to also add up your bronzer as well as your blusher. There are a bunch of eyeshadow brushes, a concealer brush as well, a pencil brush which is a must, and a really great and useful angled and spoolie brush. Now, talking about the quality of these brushes, they are very soft and fluffy brushes. I really did not expect this kind of a quality from Swiss Beauty for their makeup brushes, but these are really good and soft brushes. I absolutely love it. I mean, just look at the packaging also. It's set up in this beautiful glittery box underneath. It looks so beautiful. I don't really have the heart to throw out this box. It's a beautiful box. I also got this Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil. I have been hearing really good things about this particular eyebrow pencil, and it is so cheap. It's around 50 rupees or 60 rupees, something like that, but it is so good. The shade that I have is called dark brown, and I think this particular shade is a very good match for my eyebrow color. It also comes with this brush kind of a thing with the cap, so you can just comb through your eyebrows and fill in your eyebrows with the pencil. The pencil formula is also a really nice waxy formula, not too pigmented, not too waxy as well. Just deposits the right amount of pigment to fill in your eyebrows. I mean, this is what I have on my eyebrows today, and I really like how my eyebrows are looking today. For being so extremely affordable, this is such great quality. I mean, like I said, Swiss Beauty nails it with their quality every time. The next item that I have to share with you guys is a very exciting product. So this is the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette that I got from Amazon. This is from a generic brand and it was under ₹300, which blew my mind. So I really wanted to pick this out and test it out myself, that how this eyeshadow palette works on my eyelids. So this is a generic brand and this is the original Huda Beauty. I mean, they both look extremely similar. When you look at this eyeshadow palette, you cannot really tell that it's a dupe, and inside you have these beautiful shades of eyeshadows. The shade selection is also very close to the original Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. So this is how both the palettes look next to each other. As you can see, the color selection and the color theme is extremely similar in both the palettes. Most of these eyeshadows are matte and there is a few shimmer eyeshadows also. They don't really have crazy kind of pigmentation, but they are sort of buildable. This is what I have on my eyelids right now, and as you can see, they look pretty decent on my eyelids. Some of the darker shades in this palette have better pigmentation than the lighter shades here. The black and this deep red color has pretty good pigmentation. So I use the shade Dubai and Moon Dust on my eyelids for the shimmer. I mean, obviously they do not have that metallic foiled effect just like the Huda Beauty palette, but they still look pretty decent on the eyelids. I mean, for under rupees 300, I can't really expect that kind of a pigmentation from an eyeshadow palette. I also noticed that the shade Fling and the shade Rose Gold are extremely similar. There is not really much of a difference between these two shades. Both are shimmer finishes. But yeah, other than that, I think it's a decent palette. If you're somebody who always wanted to try out the Huda Beauty Rose Gold eyeshadow palette but do not have the budget for it, you can give this a shot. The color selection is extremely similar to that of the original one. If you want a detailed comparison video between the both of these palettes, then please do let me know in the comment section. I will be more than happy to create one for you all. The next product that I have is from Inside Cosmetics, which is quickly becoming people's favorite affordable brand. So this is a pen type eyeliner from them. It's called the Eyeliner Express 12-hour long wear smudge free eyeliner. So this is basically a pen type eyeliner, which is one of my most favorite kinds of eyeliners to use. These kind of eyeliners are pretty easy, beginner friendly kind of eyeliners. Really loved the nib of this eyeliner. It was very easy for me to create that precise winged eyeliner on both my eyes. The color payoff is also really great. It's a jet black color. The finish, however, I would say is not too matte, not too shiny. It's right in between. It's almost like a matte eyeliner, but it has a very soft sheen to it. I'm not really a huge fan of glossy eyeliners, but this kind of a sheen works for me. Very good inexpensive pen type eyeliner. I mean, I'm already loving it so far. It's a very smooth finish also. The texture is very fluid and runny in consistency. It doesn't really stop while you draw your eyeliner on your eyelids, which is great. Very good eyeliner at such an affordable price. Also, one brand makeup tutorial using Inside Cosmetics will be coming up very soon on my channel. I have a bunch of makeup products, so stay tuned for that. The next item that I have is a base product, and this is also a very exciting purchase. So this is the Coloressence HD Liquid Foundation. What does it remind you of when you look at this packaging? It literally is like a dupe of the MAC Studio Fix Fluid. So that is what really attracted me to buy this foundation. This is the shade Dark Beige, and this is their darkest shade of foundation in this particular range. And this is what I have on my face right now. And as you can see, it's a very good match. I honestly thought that this might look a bit ashy or white looking on my face, but it doesn't. It's a pretty good match. By the way, which is very hard to find in affordable foundations. I mostly fell in love with the fact that this foundation matches my skin tone. The packaging is like this glass bottle and a rubbery cap, and inside you don't have a pump just like the MAC Studio Fix Fluid. It is exactly the same replica of the MAC Studio Fix Fluid foundation. This is my MAC Studio Fix Fluid, and this is the Coloressence Liquid Foundation. You can't really differentiate between the two. They look very similar except for their logos. Even when I'm holding it in my hand, I literally feel like I'm holding a MAC Studio Fix Fluid in my hand. It is that similar. The shade Dark Beige is a very close match to the NC45 in Studio Fix Fluid. It does look lighter in the packaging and also when you swatch it, but after a while it does oxidize, so that is why it is kind of adjusting to my own complexion. It's not looking lighter or ashy looking on my skin, which I absolutely love. It's a very runny liquidy consistency, very easy to work with, either with a brush or a beauty blender. It blends beautifully on the skin. The coverage, I would say, is about medium to buildable coverage. The finish is a beautiful velvety matte finish. It's not drying at all. In fact, it's a little bit of a hydrating formula which doesn't really rip off all the moisture and suck the moisture out of your skin. I kind of like this a little bit higher than the MAC Studio Fix Fluid so far. It has not creased, not oiled up, nothing. It is staying put very well, and the finish is a beautiful smooth finish which I absolutely love. It's such an affordable foundation. I really did not expect this foundation to perform so well. I am in love. To all my dusky beauties out there who want a great, flawless, long-lasting foundation under a budget, definitely check out the Coloressence liquid foundation. The next product that I have is the Coty Airspun loose powder. I had this product on my wish list from years on Amazon and I finally picked this up. This is the original formula. They also have different variants in this, but I want to give the original one a shot. So many people all over the world love this loose powder. They say it's a dupe of the Laura Mercier translucent loose powder, so that is why I want to give this a shot. I personally haven't tried out the Laura Mercier powder. First of all, it's a huge tub. It contains 65 grams of product, which is a lot of loose powder. God knows when I will be able to finish up this huge tub of powder. It's like your usual loose powder packaging. It's a huge tub with a plastic lid, and inside you have the powder. There is a sifter in the center through which you can dispense the product. It also comes with this powder puff. I'm not sure how useful this powder puff would be. I might use this for touch-ups or things like that. I mean, it's a cute looking powder puff, so I will keep it. This has a very peculiar floral scent to it. It's kind of on the stronger side, but once you apply it on your face, it kind of fades away. It's an extremely silky formula. It sits so beautifully on the skin. The color is like a white translucent color. So when you apply it, it might look like it looks white, but after a while, it kind of blends in with your base makeup and just adjusts to the color of the products that you use underneath. It's not a powdery finish of a powder. It has this very beautiful velvety sheen to it. So even if you have a drier skin type, I think you would really like this. This is what I used to set my face today, and I think it has done a pretty good job in setting and baking my face. It doesn't look white or ghostly looking at all on the skin, which I was concerned a little bit about. Really enjoyed using this powder. It's a huge tub, so it will take a while for me to finish it up, which is a good thing. The final product that I have for today's video is the Insight Cosmetics liquid lipstick. So this is called a non-transfer liquid lipstick, and the shade that I have is called a Vampire, and this is what I have on my lips right now. And as you can see, it is such a gorgeous smoky berry liquid lipstick. These kind of shades look amazing on dusky skin tones. Very sleek product. It has a regular doe foot applicator for liquid lipstick. The formula is really good as well. Feels very light and comfortable on the lips. Honestly, I was expecting it to be a little bit more on the heavier side because it's such an affordable product. But it is completely opposite to that. It's a very light formula. Literally feels like nothing on the lips, yet it has really good color payoff. Even with a single swipe, I was able to get this kind of pigmentation on my lips. It's a very smooth formula as well, so it fills in all the lines on your lips perfectly and makes it look more smoother. Absolutely love the Insight non-transfer proof liquid lipstick. This is also on a great discount on Amazon, so do check it out. So those were all of my beauty finds from Amazon. All the products that I mentioned in today's video will be linked in the description box. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Make sure to hit the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a new video on my channel. Also follow me on my Instagram. I'll put the link in the description box. Take care of yourselves, and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye!